I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location services and granting the Map app permission to access your location. Open Google Maps or Apple Maps and center on where you are. Make sure the blue dot is accurate. Decide if you need a live location stream or a fixed pin. Live updates as you move, fixed stays at one coordinate. Once done, tap and hold the map to drop a pin or open the Share menu to prepare the link you will convert into a QR code. Next, tap the pin or the blue dot and choose Share or Share Location in the menu. When prompted, pick Create Link or a Send Location option and then copy the generated URL to your clipboard. If you selected Live Location, set the sharing duration so it stops after the period you want. If you chose a fixed pin, glance at the coordinates or address to make sure they are correct. Now you have a shareable map link ready for QR conversion. Finally, open a QR code generator app or site and paste the copied map URL into the input box. Generate the QR and immediately test scan it with your phone camera to confirm it opens the correct map and mode. Save or export the image as PNG for sharing, or display it on another screen to let others scan. If someone cannot scan, make sure the URL is complete and starts with HTTPS, and regenerate a fresh QR. Sometimes short links or restricted sharing settings block access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.